Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best car cleaning wipes is probably one of the most convenient ways to keep your car looking its best. From quick interior touch-ups to tackling stubborn grime on your dashboard, these wipes offer a simple solution. But with so many options available, how do you choose the right one? In this video, we'll dive into the world of car cleaning wipes, exploring what makes a great wipe and helping you find the perfect match for your car care needs. Number 5. grime Super Cleaner 18-ounce Kit. Are you frustrated with cleaners that don't deliver? This product utilizes advanced nanotechnology to lift away dirt and grime effectively. You'll be amazed by its performance. Ditch the cluttered cabinet of cleaning supplies. This multi-surface cleaner replaces multiple products, making your life easier. It's the only cleaner you'll need. This product works on various surfaces, including upholstery, fabric, leather, and more. It tackles bird droppings, grease, and tree sap with ease. It's incredibly versatile. This product is made with the latest scientific advancements and the best equipment. Every formula is mixed and bottled in the USA. You can trust its quality. The team cares about your satisfaction. If you have any concerns, they're ready to help. They are committed to making things right for you. What we like. This cleaner is designed to tackle a wide variety of surfaces, from upholstery to metal trim. It effectively removes dirt, grease, and even bird droppings. If you are looking for a versatile cleaner that can handle almost anything your car throws at it, this is the one for you. What people say. It worked an absolute miracle for me. It easily removed dirt and stains from seats, dashboard, and doors without leaving any residue. Wife loves to get makeup on the sun visor fabric when using the mirror, comes right off with the super clear. Works on just about everything else as well, fabrics, leather, vinyl etc., cleans them all and removes the toughest of stains. Number 4. Chemical Guy's Speed Wipe Quick Detailer. This detail spray from Chemical Guys quickly removes light dust and smudges. It adds a slick, high-gloss finish to your vehicle, perfect for those quick cleanups between washes. The advanced polymers in this quick detailer provide a mirror-like shine. You can use it even in direct sunlight for fast and easy detailing. This spray is safe for all surfaces, including paint, glass, and trim. It won't scratch or damage any existing wax or coatings. The detailer helps protect your vehicle from harmful sun exposure. It maintains the vibrant color and clarity of your car over time. Enjoy the fresh cherry aroma after every use. It complements the showroom look and feel of your freshly detailed vehicle. This product is perfect for cars, trucks, motorcycles, and RVs. Use it in your garage, driveway, or at shows for an instant refresh. It has a super slick formula. You will love it. What we like. This detail spray provides an instant high-gloss finish and removes light dust and smudges. It's safe for use on paint, glass, and trim, and it leaves behind a pleasant cherry aroma. If you like a quick and easy way to keep your car looking its best between washes, you should consider this. What people say. The wipes are thick and durable. They clean well and leave a nice shine. They are easy to use and convenient. Number 3. MagicFiber 12-pack Microfiber Cleaning Cloths. These MagicFiber cleaning cloths come in a 12-pack with various colors. They are designed to help you clean your household items quickly and effectively. You can clean in style. Made from 100% thick microfiber material, it is high quality, absorbent, and soft. It can absorb and remove dust, oil, smudges, fingerprints, dirt, and more. This miracle cleaning cloth leaves no scratches, streaks, or lint. It ensures a perfect clean every time, leaving your surfaces spotless and clear. These microfiber cloths are built to last with high-quality stitching and reinforced edges. Lightweight, super absorbent, and quick drying, it can be washed and reused multiple times. The MagicFiber cloths are safe to use on any delicate surface. Measuring 13 by 11 inches, it's the perfect size to take with you anywhere. Use it on TVs, phones, cameras, and more. Engineered to clean, you won't find any loose threads or coarse edges. Soft, durable, and effective, it's safe to use on your delicate screens and lenses. It protects what you care about like new, every day. What we like. These cloths are made from soft, absorbent microfiber that effectively removes dirt and grime without scratching. They are reusable and can be washed multiple times. If you are looking for a cost-effective and environmentally friendly option for cleaning your car's interior and exterior, this is a great choice. What people say. The wipes are thick and durable. They clean the car's interior surfaces effectively. The wipes leave a clean, non-greasy finish. Number 2. Chemical Guys Microfiber Towels, Mic 110024, 24 pack. These ultra-soft towels from Chemical Guys are designed to safely remove wax and detail sprays. They leave surfaces streak-free and swirl-free, ensuring a perfect finish. The gentle microfiber construction is safe for all surfaces. You can use it on clear coat, chrome, glass, plastic, and interior surfaces without worry. It won't scratch or leave any lint behind. These cleaning cloths feature high-pile fibers that are highly absorbent. They soak up water, detail sprays, and cleaners efficiently, reducing the number of passes needed. These towels are machine washable for long-lasting performance. They can withstand hundreds of washes without losing their softness or absorbency. It's an essential part of any car wash kit. This pack includes 24 16 by 16 car wash towels. You'll have plenty for paint correction, interior cleaning, glass care, and more. These microfiber towels are ideal for various uses. They work great on cars, trucks, motorcycles, RVs, boats, and even around the house on windows, electronics, and furniture. What we like. These microfiber towels are designed to safely remove wax, sealant, and detail sprays without scratching your car's paint. The high-pile fibers are ultra-absorbent. If you like a professional-grade finish and want to protect your car's paint, you should consider this. What people say. Great material. Reusable and washable. They're super soft, don't leave behind lint like a lot of other rags, and have made a noticeable difference in reducing swirl marks on my vehicle. Number 1. Tubbo Towels TW90 Heavy Duty Cleaning Wipes. These are heavy-duty 10 by 12 inch wet cleaning wipes. They are the strongest and largest wet paper towel cleaning wipe available. No water is required. This product removes heavy stains that others can't. It tackles grease, tar, ink, paint, and more. It's designed to handle tough messes effectively. These moist towels are gentle on hands and skin. They contain aloe, vitamin E, and lanolin. These ingredients protect your hands, leaving them clean and soft. Use it for automotive, office, boating, and RV cleaning. It's also great around the home. This product is designed for various surfaces and applications. Use these tough cleaning wipes on fabric, carpet, leather, vinyl, metal, and more. It's suitable for countertops, walls, appliances, and various other surfaces. It's a versatile solution for all your cleaning needs. What we like. These wipes are designed to remove heavy stains like grease, tar, and ink. They are gentle on your hands, containing aloe, vitamin E, and lanolin. If you have to deal with tough messes in your car, you should consider this. What people say. They're large, thick, and super durable, which means you're not going to rip through them like flimsy wipes. They work amazingly well without damaging any surfaces. These wipes may be tough on dirt, but they won't wreck your surfaces. They power through grease, paint, and even adhesives, leaving everything looking brand new without needing to break out 10 different cleaning products. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.